Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Torey, certified aromatherapist and longtime user of essential oils. I do lots of education videos, and then I also do videos like this from time to time on comparing different brands. We use a lot of different essential oil companies. The list of those will be down in the description or in this blog post that goes with this video, but I like to compare different brands to help you get a feel for what a brand is about and make sure that you're using the right one for you and your budget and your family. So anyways, in this video, we're doing Simply Earth versus Revive. These are probably my 1 and 2, at least in my top 5 essential oil companies. Revive is probably our favorite, and you'll see that I do lots of videos with them just because overall, they have all of the things that we look for in an essential oil company, but we really love both of these. So it's going to be just a comparison on sourcing, testing, quality, pricing, all of the things that go into making a good essential oil company. So first we'll talk about sourcing. Simply Earth, they share of their farms that they get their essential oils from. They like sourcing natively ethical farms around the world. They do some videos on their YouTube channel of the different farms that they work with, and they make sure that they're doing things that are environmentally friendly and the right way when it comes to planting and getting the essential oils and plants. Revive also really puts an emphasis on make sure they're getting their plants from ethical farms, ethical sourcing, and they partner with their farms all over, and they share a bit of that on their website as well. So they both are transparent with where they're getting their oils and that they're really for sourcing ethically and smaller farms when possible and getting their essential oils and their plants natively. Next category is testing. At this point, I require the brands that we use to share their test results and be very transparent in how they're making sure their essential oils are pure. So each of these companies has batch numbers on their bottles. They have links on their websites where if you are going on to the lavender page for Revive, you can go to the batch and the lot or whatever, and then it will bring up the GCMS report. Simply Earth, same thing. They have the Simply Pure Promise and batch numbers, and you can see their test results on their website. And if you have any other questions about their testing or specific things like that, you can go onto their customer service on each company and ask your questions. They can help you with that too. But as far as the testing results go, they have them and they're transparent. Revive does share more in depth of the different types of testing, and not to say that Simply Earth doesn't do the same testing. They just don't have a list, I think, of like 20 different tests that Revive shares. They're both transparent and offer their test results on their website, which is a must for me. So quality is next. Same quality. They get their oils from great places. They test them and make sure that they have the best quality essential oils without synthetic fillers or additives. And if an essential oil blend or a roller is diluted, they mark their bottles and packaging clearly with that. So their category to me is kind of a tie, and you know what you think about that too. Pricing is next, and this is why I love both of these companies. They have amazing prices. Revive and Simply Earth pricing are comparable. They have different size bottles. So Revive has mostly 10 milliliter size bottles, and Simply Earth has mostly 15 mil, sometimes a 5 milliliter bottle. So both are just standard sizing, but just keep that in mind when you're doing your comparisons on pricing. But Revive might have better, a little bit lower, and also they have free shipping. And so I really love a company that does free shipping. They're both amazing in the pricing category. Labeling is next, and this is kind of a personal preference thing. There are negotiables, but it's a personal preference thing. So most of the time, Revive has, they're labeled in supplement type of form, so 1 drop. And then you'll see this on, there are a couple of different brands that label like this. So labeling is just different based on how they went through like paperwork and stuff to label their bottles. But they should have their Latin name, the botanical name on their bottles, which they both do. And then like I said, if they are diluted or if it's a roller like that, they need to just label properly. They both do all of the right things. Simply Earth does go above and beyond, and this is a blend, so it doesn't have it on here, but it'll have the uses, ingredients, some safety information. They also have child safe 10 plus. Plant Therapy also does this, and maybe Rocky Mountain, but Then this Revive one just has the uses and some cautions and safety information, and then it's also labeled, like I said, like the supplement. But single essential oils from Simply Earth will have like where the plant is from, so just a little bit of different. But that is I said kind of personal, kind of industry standard type of things, like what should be on the bottle. Variety of products is next, and this one is what sets them apart. Simply Earth has their essential oil recipe box that gets sent out monthly. You get 4 new essential oils, recipes. You're getting hands-on and using essential oils in an aromatherapy type of way. And so that's what makes them really fun and different, is they have that. And then Revive, oh, and then they also have a lot of ingredient type of products. So they won't have like a body soap, but they'll have things to make your body soap. So if you are a DIY, make it yourself person, Simply Earth is amazing. But if you don't like making your own products, you want to have a company that has them for you and are made safely with essential oils, no fragrance, things like that. So Revive has all kinds of products. They have laundry, body products, dish products, tablets, all of the different things. So if you're used to using Young Living essential oils, Revive is a really good or swap for that, because they have all the blends, they have all the singles, they have all the different products. So even some supplements and things like that. So Simply Earth is just lacking in that way, but it's different because if you like making your own products, that is, they have everything you need in that way. So that's just how they're different in the variety of products they have. So it's kind of a personal thing, what you're looking for. Essential oil education is next, because that is important to me. I feel like it is a brand's responsibility to educate you in using their oils, not just having their oils available to purchase. There are things you need to know. Essential oils just aren't like buying anything else. You need to know how to use them and dilute them and make recipes with them. So obviously Simply Earth is very well versed in this. They have tons of recipes diluted by an aromatherapist or created by an aromatherapist, so the dilution rates are good. You don't have to worry about safety. They share tons of information, and when you become a subscriber to their recipe box, you get access to an essential oil hero course. So their education, they go above and beyond. Revive has tons of resources, posts on their Instagram. They do tons of recipes, and I actually help create some of those. So they have an abundance of information too, in just a different, if I had to pick one, I would say Simply Earth probably is the leader in educating their consumers. Okay, so overall quality and what I think about each brand. I just recently got the question, like, if I had to pick one, which one would I choose? And it's really hard for me because I love Simply Earth. I am the person that loves making their own products. That's why I'm an aromatherapist. I really love their recipe box and their education in that way, but I also love Revive and that they have everything that you need pre-made and the range of different products. And so I really love them both, but if I had to pick one, it would be Revive, just because they have more things for me to choose from. I won't stop using one or the other. I do use both of them regularly, and we use them in a lot of different ways. And so I think that if you are a simplicity person and don't like DIYs, Revive is your company. But if you are wanting to learn and make your own products, Simply Earth is your go-to. But we really love both. I think they each have their strengths, and they're just different companies, not one better than the other. So I hope this was educational and helpful in a non-biased way. I like both of them, so it's hard for me not to be non-biased, if that makes sense. But I hope it was helpful. So let me know what questions you have. Both links will be down below. I'll look at the other brands that we like, because these aren't just the only two that we use. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end of this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.